Before you begin sanitizing for floor cleaning applications, place caution signs in the area to be cleaned. Using a broom or hose, remove all debris, including under counters and equipment. Fill the mop bucket with fresh solution. Both hot and cold water can be used and are equally effective. Using a mop, apply solution to the floor. Ensure a 5-minute contact time to sanitize. Deck brush tough soils for best results. After 5-minute contact time, you may mop up any excess solution with a damp mop. Do not rinse. For a back-of-house application, you may squeegee the remaining solution directly into the drain. This also counts as a pre-cleaning step for the drains. Allow to air dry. Before you begin sanitizing for drain cleaning application, prepare the foam applicator according to the instructions for use. Pre-clean the drain to remove any debris. Hold the foaming discharge nozzle to the drain opening and squeeze the trigger to discharge foam until the drain is full. Allow foam to dwell for 5 minutes. This allows the enzymes to break down any buildup in the drain and reduce fruit fly habitats. Repeat 1 to 2 times daily for best cleaning and sanitizing results.